Okay, hi guys. So just like I promised, I will be showing us how to like read and understand uh, the stock market, basically, like how you will the basic like the various categories we have within the stock market, right? So this is the Cowrywise app, right, which is fairly easy to use, right? You can just click on it. Sign up or sign in if you have an account, right? So basically it has other features like you can save, you could save to for your son, your children, basically you could save money for them now for the future, and I think they have a very good interest rate on that also, right? So but where I would want us to focus more attention is on the investment side of things, right? So you have the various investment types where you have the NG stocks, stock trading and all, right? And then you have the Naira funds, where you could save your money into new investments, managed portfolios, basically, that have a fixed income rate, interest rate, basically. So, right. Where I want to send our attention to is on the Nigerian stock, right? So I have these are the current stocks I have within the Cowrywise app, right? Okay, cool. At least you can see how they are performing currently, right? So let me show us how to you could see. So if you click on this plus sign down here, right? So these are my watch list, right? So I have a watch list here of stocks that I follow to see their trajectory, seeing the ups and downs, right? So with from here you can actually click on a stock. You see this bit of information around here, what are the trading status is like, about the company, company information, who's the CEO and chairman, dividend history and all that. So they pay, I think MTN currently pays 5 naira per shares, and the coronation registrars are their approved merchants per se. So you could also look at their liquidity, you know, see what's currently happening with this stock, right? And they also have this AI feature that helps you make sense of these numbers, right? So what this stuff mean, like what this charts, shows you that more people are buying than more people that are selling, right? So just from here, lots of people want to buy MTN shares with big orders below, sellers are asking for more, certain, okay? So basically, more people are buying than those that are selling, right? So that's just what liquidity. So we usually so that would also help you, make a informed decision, right? So okay, so that's that on so basically where I want to draw our attention to, so these are the groupings of the companies we have within the Nigerian stock market. So we have the NGX30. So these are the 30 top performing industries, or basically companies, right, that you could check out. So you have the MTN and you have the Dangote Sugar, Walmart Bank. So just the list goes here, right? So you could see how these companies are doing currently, right? These guys have been stable for a while. This one's below. First hold core has been dropping, right? So just you could go through this, see these are the top, the NGX30, right? That's the top performers, right? And then you have the stocks also arranged in terms of the industry they operate in, right? So you have these guys in construction, right? These ones here, in industrial goods, you have these ones in health, you have this consumer goods, right? So if you notice, I mentioned in our group, that you look at the trajectory of the government. Where is the government focusing on? Look at the companies under that particular trajectory, and then, look at them, understand, and then hedge, your stake as your spirit and your research, guides you, right? So you have all these financial services under, banks, insurance companies and all. You have power, you have services, you have utilities. I think in terms of non halal, these are low interest, Jerry's Bank, These are companies that operate under the Islamic, whatever, right? Dangote Cement, they operate under the halal. I think there's a halal way of life, or I think it's something relating to Islamic banking, basically. So you look at those, and yeah. So these are the the market segments, right? Look at the indices. So you have 12 indices, right? You have the all share index, you have the banking index, the consumer goods index, growth index, industrial index, insurance index, Lotus Islamic index, like I mentioned earlier, yeah, the halal guys, you have the oil and gas index, you have the pension index. These are the companies that are operating under the insurance index and all. You have the premium index and all. So this helps you have a clear picture of what the market is all about, and then you can look at the market summary, daily market summary basically. So you see the company's capitalization. MTN is currently at 11 trillion naira. Bua Foods 14 trillion. So these are the you look at them, look at their capitalizations and all that, so that you can have an idea of what's the size of this company. Do they have a growth prospect and all those good stuff. So that's it basically. Just do your own research, like I say. Know what your risk appetites are, and then you hedge your funds appropriately, right? So thank you very much for listening, and just keep winning.